We come to school to study and to show off, but teachers don't support our striving for beauty and forbid any makeup in class. So we figured out new ways of how to sneak makeup into class. My neighbor needs glue. She takes my stick, but it doesn't work. Certainly not, because there's nail polish hidden in it. Remove the bolt screw from an empty glue stick and take out the central plastic stick. Hot glue the bolt screw back and put a nail polish bottle into the empty glue stick container. No one will suspect there is makeup hidden in regular paper glue, right till the moment when the teacher needs the glue. Oops, now that's a fail! Miss Smith, you are supposed to have your personal glue. Stop borrowing school supplies from your students. Do you think it's a regular notebook? No way! It's a makeup stash. I've hidden eyebrow gel in its spine. Wrap the spiral of the notebook with color paper. Hot glue it to the cover. Cut off the excess. Make 2 cuts to make a bottom for the stash. Fold up the flaps. Cut off the excess and hot glue the bottom of the spine. Now you can use the stash to hide fitting makeup products like eyebrow gel, lip gloss, or mascara. I need to smooth my eyebrows, but Miss Smith is a real expert on hunting for illegal products, and she noses out that I've brought makeup to school. She takes away my eyebrow gel without listening to any objections. My friend takes out a box of wax crayons, but they are so tricky. Her crayon broke at once, and mine is writing in a weird way. Maybe it's not too late to give them back to the store while they are still in their guarantee period. You don't understand. These crayons guarantee my beauty in class. Take out a couple of Crayola wax crayons. Try to find makeup pencils of similar colors. Cut off the proper length. Take off the labels from the crayons. Wrap the labels around the makeup pencils and hot glue. Shade the wooden stem of the pencil with the marker of an appropriate color. Put the pencils into the box. I'm doing my lips with a crayon. As if on cue, the teacher appears next to me. She takes away my crayons and suspects all other stationery of being makeup. Keep calm, Miss Smith. It's a regular pen. I need to erase a pencil and take an eraser. But it's makeup again. This time, it's eyeshadow inside. Hot glue a pink foam rubber sheet to the top and bottom of a square eyeshadow container. Attach 2 pink strips to the sides too. To the lid in the box separately. Leave the hinged elements uncovered and make a cut so that the box opens easily. Hot glue a strip of a green foam rubber sheet to the middle. Don't forget to make a cut where the box opens. Make an inscription on the eraser with a black marker. You can only remove traces of fatigue near your eyes with this eraser, but here comes Miss Smith with all her seeing glasses out of thin air. We pretend to her that we are studying hard, but she takes our beauty eraser anyway. 2 times 2 equals 4. This is the dumbest calculator in the world. Why doesn't it work? Actually, it's not a calculator. It's an eyeshadow palette. Trace an eyeshadow palette on a sheet of black foam rubber and cut it out. Round the corners. Hot glue it to the lid. Make colored buttons. Cut out small equal squares from a green foam rubber sheet. Draw a circle, 3 ovals, and 1 rectangle on a red foam rubber sheet. Cut them out. Hot glue colored buttons to the black base. Make a screen. Cut out a rectangle from a black foam rubber sheet. Attach the frame to thin clear plastic. Cut off the excess. Hot glue the screen to the calculator. Draw symbols on the buttons with a black pen. The purpose of this calculator is not to count, but to make us beautiful. But the teacher suspects us of using makeup again. Don't worry, Miss Smith. It's not makeup, it's a calculator. We increase the percent of beauty in class. If you feel bored during classes, file your nails. But the teacher doesn't think it's a good idea. She is sure that fingers are supposed to hold a pen, but not a nail file.